Hello guys, this is Mujib once again, and today we're going to talk about the general simple signs of STIs. Yeah, what are the general signs that you can see that you might be having an STI? Yeah, by STIs I mean sexually transmitted infections. Yeah, so sexually transmitted infections are those infections that are primarily spread through sexual contact. Simply, that's the definition. So what causes those sexually transmitted infections? We have bacteria, we have viruses. So examples of sexually transmitted infections: we have chlamydia, we have gonorrhea, we have syphilis, we have HIV, we have HPV, we have herpes. So there are very many sexually transmitted infections. I've just listed a few. So what are the symptoms? What are the signs that show that you might be having a sexually transmitted infection? So the first one is unusual discharge. Yeah, unusual discharge through your private parts here. So you can see an unusual discharge. It can be in color, it can be in amount. Yeah, you can see an unusual discharge here through your private parts here. So the second one is burning, itching, or discomfort on your private parts. So when you feel like there is something burning you, you have something itching you, so that's a sign that you might be having an STI. So the third one is sores, bumps, and warts. Yeah, so they could appear on your private parts. When you see that you have a sore, you have a bump, you have warts, so that can be a sign that you're having a sexually transmitted infection. So the fourth one is painful urination. It can be frequent but painful. Yeah, so that can be a sign that you're having an STI. So the sixth one is pelvic pain. When you feel some pain in the pelvic region, yeah, that can be a sign that you're having a sexually transmitted infection. So the seventh one is unexplained bleeding. So when you get some simple bleeding, yeah, through your private parts, so sometimes bleeding from your private parts doesn't necessarily mean that you're having an STI. It can be your period. So this bleeding can happen between your periods, yeah. So that can be a sign that you're having a what? An STI. So the eighth one is swollen lymph nodes, yeah. So when you have swollen lymph nodes, it can also show that you're having an STI. So important notes. What can you note importantly that can help you when you're having an STI? First of all, early diagnosis and treatment